Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this AURIOL digital timer and countdown with a 3 years warranty, included batteries, and let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual. Nice, I like the design. White glossy at the front, white matte, red color. You can buy it and on a black, blue or gray color. With magnetic holder, it can stay very secure at any metal surface, let's say at your refrigerator, or if you want you can choose the fold out stand. On off switch, the battery compartment. You need two 3A batteries, and on. Touch display with backlight and scrolling number effect. Press and hold, it will go faster. After a few seconds, it will switch off the backlight. Press again, it is on. And of course, you can adjust in the minutes. Maximum for the minutes it is 99 and for the seconds 59. Press the start button. Start the countdown. Is flashing the minute and the second. Press again. Stop. Press again. Resume. I like the scrolling number effect. It looks great. And that is the sound. It will turn off after 20 seconds. Or press the start stop button, it will stop the sound. Press the minute and the second button together, reset everything, and then press the start button, it will start the timer. And again it's flashing the minute and the second. Press again stop, press again resume. Together press minute and second, reset everything. It is so easy and simple to use. I like it. Measure the remaining time you need for cooking, for exercise yourself at the gym, or use the countdown and measure your time, outdoors or indoors. So many ways to use this digital timer, and it only costs €5. Value of money. Until my next video, please hit the notification bell, subscribe and share this video. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.